we're going to talk about the different types of methods to control lighting. Ultimately, it boils down to how granular you want to be with the control of your fixtures within your facility. So the first method it's a simple method. It's been around for many decades. It would be a wired lighting controls at the panel or at the circuit. This will control an individual breaker with relays, or it will use a lighting control panel to control the load going to that bank of fixtures. It could be a circuit, a larger area, or it could be the entire floor, quadrant of a floor, and it's usually done on a schedule or on an occupancy basis. Large area. Next method, we shrink the area down, and now we're in an area of lighting control. So it could be an entire room, a cubicle farm, it could be the cafeteria, whatever it is in your building that you're looking to control, whatever space. That can be done with an area controller. So that area controller is going to be locally installed. So the power is going to come out of the panel, it's going to interface with the area controller is then going to feed the power to the light fixtures. You can have wireless or wired components to achieve area control. You can have wireless occupancy sensors talking back to the area controller, or the area controller can be wired to that occupancy sensor. In some instances, the area controller and occupancy sensor could be a self-contained unit that's installed in the ceiling and then feeding that bank of fixtures. There's a lot of different ways that different vendors will provide that type of technology. The third different method of lighting controls would be very granular at the fixture. So this is typically done wirelessly at the fixture. So where a wireless node would be installed in the fixture, be it a just communication or actually be it a miniature occupancy sensor or photo sensor that can be installed within the fixture itself. And that's usually done at the factory, shipped, installed, and now you have the ultimate granular control, which is going to provide the maximum amount of energy savings. These types of systems are usually software-based, so that the zoning and the control of the fixtures can be set up using a software interface. So that would be your most granular. Emerging on its own is a fourth type of lighting control, which is actually wired at the fixture. This is coming via a low voltage signal that can be done through power over Ethernet, where the data and the power to the fixture is being sent over an Ethernet cable. It could also be done through low voltage wires with a wireless lighting control system as well. So the controls would be wireless, but the power would be low voltage wired directly to the fixture. So it's a little bit of a hybrid system on how it's being done, but that's ultimately the four different categories of lighting control methods.